Hello everyone, today we have a controversial topic on our hands. Is Luna Classic legit bullish or just another short-time success project? But in this video, we'll try to get to the final conclusion. In one of our previous videos, we've talked about the massive potential of Terra Luna Classic to succeed. Since then, Luna Classic has been delivering robust bullish performance, and the truth be told, crypto enthusiasts and experts certainly believe in its potential. In this video, we'll go over all the reasons why crypto experts are bullish about the Luna Classic, so make sure to watch until the end. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs and blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more content like this. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Moving on, let's talk about the reasons that made crypto experts believe that Luna Classic is bullish. Number 1, 1.2% burn tax. Now, there are many crypto followers who don't understand the significance that this burn tax holds in the success of Luna Classic. But first, what is a burn? Burning is one of the most basic terms in the crypto world. A cryptocurrency is based on a blockchain which consists of a network of large number of blocks containing data. Now, there is a total supply, which means the total number of coins that were created. And then there is a circulating supply, which means the total number of coins that are circulating in the market at a time. Burning is the process by which you remove a token or a coin from the circulating supply. Now, why did I tell you all this? Because ever since the crash of Luna and after rebranding as Terra Luna Classic, a lot of investors and users have been complaining about the circulating supply of Luna Classic. That is why the 1.2% burn tax hold immense significance in the success of Luna Classic. Let's take a deep look. With the implementation of the 1.2% burn tax, all the transactions of the Terra Classic blockchain will be subjected to a 1.2% burn tax. Of course, it also includes all of the interactions with the crypto wallet as well as the smart contracts. This burn tax will immensely help Luna Classic to overcome the oversupply it often faces. But one important point is that this tax will only be applicable to on-chain activity, not off-chain activity such as trading on crypto exchanges. Although the tax means that the investors and users will have to pay more per coin, it's a price that they're willing to pay for the long-term coin efficiency and success. Since the strong community support on this matter, the Luna Classic has increased by a whopping 160%. Number 2, the Revival Plan 2.0. The Terraform Labs founder and CEO Do Kwon came up with a survival plan after the huge crash of Terra Luna, but it didn't work, after which he came up with another plan, the Revival Plan 2.0. The main points of this plan were that the existing blockchain will be renamed Terra Classic. A new blockchain, Terra, will be created, producing Luna 2.0, and the Terra Classic blockchain will produce Luna Classic. Now, this plan incorporated many significant changes as well as new tactics. A total of 1 billion tokens were distributed within the Terra network, especially to those who suffered a loss during the crash. This plan helped investors make a momentous decision. With all of these new supporters, Terra became a trusted project and now has a very strong community. This strong community is one of the main reasons for Terra Luna Classic's aggressive success until now. Number 3, strong community. We all know that a strong coin has a strong community behind it. The same is the matter with Luna Classic. The 1.2% burn tax proposal and many other proposals were considered due to strong and committed community of the Luna network, all the more reason for it to give bullish performances like it has been. Terra Luna Classic will be getting 1000x profits, so make sure to start early if you want to become a millionaire, because this bullish performance is going to last a while. Also, check out the price prediction of Luna Classic in our video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.